Now, Rose Boost here is our under eye cream. The reason I like using an under eye cream is again because of a lot of what I do is in front of the camera. My eyes can get tired, and so just using an under eye cream just helps me take additional care of the skin that is anyway so sensitive. And so I like applying it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. And what's special about this one is that the rose extract specifically helps with what I just spoke about. It specifically helps with just calming and cooling the skin around the eye area. And the peptides help with reducing dark circles and also help with any kind of puffiness that you might feel. So that's Rose Boost for you. You can take just very little on your ring finger. Don't forget the lid. So as soon as I apply this, it just feels like rejuvenated. It feels like it's cool and calm. It doesn't feel irritated. It doesn't feel puffy. It doesn't feel tired. So yeah, that's Rose Boost.